This channel has gained over 76,000 subscribers with just 49 videos and is generating thousands of dollars every single month. Meanwhile, you're still creating videos that don't make much money and don't get a high RPM. But if you want, you can also build a high-income YouTube channel just like Legend Investor Mindset. And the best part is, in this video, we're going to do everything completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step blueprint, how you can start from zero and build a profitable AI YouTube channel. So go ahead and hit the like button, and let's get started. So first, we're going to generate a topic for our video. So simply open the Google Docs link given in the description. Here you'll find all the prompts. First, copy the topic generation prompt. Now go to ChatGPT and paste it there. We've already added 10 topics in it. Now hit send. ChatGPT will instantly suggest 10 video ideas that you can create content on. Now that we have our video topic, the next step is writing the script. So go back to Google Docs again. Here you'll find the second prompt, script writing prompt. Copy it. Now for script writing, we'll use Claude AI because it generates more natural, human-like scripts with better storytelling. Paste your prompt there. Now add your video topic at the top. Simply go back to ChatGPT, copy the topic you selected, and paste it into Claude. Now hit send. Claude will analyze your topic and generate a highly detailed script based on the prompt. This script will be long enough to easily create a 10 to 15 minute video. Pro tip, you can also ask Claude to add a strong hook, retention triggers, and storytelling elements to increase watch time and audience engagement, which is especially important for YouTube growth in the US market. So now our topic and script writing process is complete. Next, we need images for our video. For that, go back to Google Docs again. Now you'll find the third prompt, image generation prompt. Copy it. Now go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. At the top, you need to add your full script, so go back to Claude, copy your entire script, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now hit send. ChatGPT will generate 10 image prompts related to your video, but 10 images are not enough. So after generating the first 10 prompts, just type continue and hit send again. You'll get 10 more prompts. Keep doing this until you have enough image prompts to cover your entire video. Now our prompt generation process is complete. Next, we'll generate the images. For this, we'll use Flow AI, where you get the Nano Banana 2 model completely free. Open the Flow app, go to settings and select image. Now choose the aspect ratio, for example 16:9. Then select how many images you want to generate at once. Now go to model and select Nano Banana 2. The best part is, this model allows you to generate images with 0 credits, so you can create unlimited images. Now go to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Paste it into Flow and click generate. It may take a few seconds, so just wait. Your image will be generated in high quality. Now repeat the same process for the second prompt. But here's the issue. Your second image won't match the first one in style. If you want consistent visuals, simply drag and drop your first image as a reference. Then paste the next prompt and generate again. Now your second image will match the style of the first one. Important tip, only use reference images if your prompt includes a character. Otherwise, it's not necessary. Now generate all your images like this and download them one by one. So now our script and images are ready. Next comes Voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators available today. Copy your script and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose a good voice model, preferably a deeper voice, because deep voices perform better in finance, education, and storytelling content in the US audience. Then click generate. Now our voice generation is also complete. The final step is video editing. Open any editing software like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro. Drag and drop all your images and voiceover into the timeline. Sync each image according to the voiceover. Now download an image of a successful businessman from Google and place it in your video. This adds authority and makes your content feel more premium and relatable. Next, do color grading. Keep saturation low, reduce background contrast, and highlight your main subject. This creates a cinematic and professional look that performs well on platforms like YouTube. Now add captions to your video. You can use CapCut or any AI caption tool. Captions significantly improve retention. Now add background music. Make sure it's not too loud and your voice remains clear. For better results, use subtle cinematic or lo-fi background tracks. Now export your video. Next, we'll create a thumbnail. Go back to Google Docs and copy the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now add your script. Go back to Claude, copy the script, and paste it here. Hit send. ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail prompt for you. Copy it and paste it into a new chat to generate your thumbnail. If you want to include a businessman image, upload it as a reference before generating. Alternatively, you can design your thumbnail manually using tools like Canva or Photoshop. Now the final step, SEO. Go back to Google Docs and copy the SEO prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now add your script. copy it from Claude and paste it here. Hit send. Now ChatGPT will analyze your video and give you 5 title options, a full description, tags, hashtags, and a disclaimer. Pro tip: for the US audience, make sure your title includes curiosity, numbers, or strong emotional triggers. Also, keep your thumbnail bold and easy to understand even on small screens. Now your entire video creation and upload process is complete. You can upload your video. So that's it for today's video. You'll find the prompt link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.